In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert personalization tokens into links in HubSpot templates. This is a great tool to make your marketing efforts more personalized and effective. Let's get started. First, you want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. You'll be greeted by the familiar and user-friendly interface that HubSpot provides. If you're not already logged in, look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need to enter your login details, so make sure you have those handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, the next destination is the library. The library is where HubSpot stores various resources, and it's your go-to hub for accessing templates and snippets. Click on Library to enter this section. Within the library, locate the section titled Snippets. Snippets are small blocks of reusable content that can be inserted into templates or emails to save time and ensure consistency. Now, with the snippet section open, look for the Create Snippet option. Click on this to begin the process of making your own snippet. This is an exciting part, as it allows you to craft something custom to meet your needs. You'll then arrive at a prompt asking you to add details. This is where the personalization starts to shine. Here, you'll be providing the specifics that will make your snippet truly yours. Take your time while filling in these details, as this is key to ensuring your personalization tokens function correctly. You'll be asked to repeat adding details 3 times, each an opportunity to refine and expand your personalization efforts. Think about what kind of information will make your communication more engaging. Perhaps it's a name, a company title, or any other specific data that could be relevant. By populating these fields thoughtfully, you create a snippet that's both informative and personal. Once you've carefully examined all the details and are satisfied, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save Snippet button. Clicking this will secure all your inputs and ensure your snippet is ready to be used in your templates. Remember, saving frequently when working with software tools is always a good practice to avoid losing your progress. And there you have it, you've successfully inserted personalization tokens into a link in a HubSpot template. By following these steps, you've made your marketing materials more dynamic and personalized, which is sure to resonate with your audience. Take a moment to explore what you've created and consider testing its functionality to ensure your personalized links perform as expected. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your HubSpot experience.